This episode is brought to you by King's Kimchi. Kimchi. It's good for you, really. Hello and welcome to the Sabbatical Daily Journal. This is Matt.
Hey there, campers! Thanks for joining us today! We're here with Chef Kokomoto! He's gonna cook us a pizza! I'm so excited! I was born in Australia, but I grew up in Japan! This is great! We've got squid in the sink! We are ready to cook today! Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn you over to the man himself, the man they call Chef Kokomoto!
Dry ingredients, which right here we have a cup of all-purpose flour, followed by a half teaspoon of baking powder and a quarter teaspoon of salt. What we're going to do is mix that up together. So we got the dry ingredients done. Now we're going to work on the wet ingredients, which starts off with a quarter cup of dashi, which I've already got mixed here, which is basically like the chicken stock of all Japanese food. Then we're going to add to that one large egg. And you might be asking why I'm wearing rubber gloves. Well, that's all because of this right here, which is yamaimo, which is solid snot if you ask me. But when you grate it, if you look at that, it just turns into liquid goo. You might ask yourself why on earth are you eating that? But that's the starch component of the pizza. So we need 1 cup of that. Almost there. The reason you have to wear rubber gloves with this vegetable is the skin has got a property to it that makes it itch. So, better safe than sorry. Almost.
Stuff we're eating here.
And that'll about do it right there.
Matt had his bag when we were sitting. Sasha was playing in Matt's bag.
Now we're going to whisk all that together.
They're not the same. Wherever it is, they are in it. Bring them here.
And add that to the dry. Slowly. So, this has been called Japanese pancakes, it's been called Japanese pizza. The reason I call it pizza is because you can add so many different kinds of toppings. But it's more like a pancake batter. Now how does that look, folks?
Yay! Cheers! Cheers!
Now on top of that pancake snot batter we got going on, we're going to add 2 cups of napa, which is Japanese cabbage.
Look at it. That's not. I bet it tastes very good.
Add 1 cup of bean sprouts. One bunch of scallions, which equals about maybe 6 or 7. carrot finely shredded. So I fold that in there. After a while, it starts getting thick. And that's your finished product right there.
Well, folks, the first hour's been fantastic. We didn't even get to use the knife, but I can't wait. First today, he came out with this bowl, and he took it from here, and he bowled it, and he said, "Kabah!" and it went in there. Great. Next, this bowl, and he took it, and he went, "Blood!" and it went in there, and it was great. And then he had this bowl and this bowl, and it was wonderful. Anyways, great. He had a drink and everything the whole time. I was very excited. He wore rubber gloves, which, from what I heard, they use for prostate exams, which is where they take the rectum and they put a finger.
Okay, enough.
And so great. That's personal experience, you know. Great. Anyway, so we've got this right here, which is a samurai sword, and I might stop because I'm about to get my head cut off. Ah!